Hare Krishna students, please open your Sanskrit book, page number 43. Okay. Today we will start from question number 1. So let's see what it is written. Answer in Sanskrit. So this question answer you have to solve. And where you will write in your CW copy. Okay. So let's see. गंगायाः महत्त्वं कुत्र वर्णितमस्ति? गंगायाः महत्त्वं, दिस इज तय तय. ओके, तय तय व. सो गंगायाः महत्त्वं प्राचीन ग्रंथेषु वर्णितम् अस्ति. गंगा कस्मात् निःसरति? गंगा हिमालयात् निःसरति. गंगासागरे गंगा केन सह मिलति? गंगासागरे गंगा बंगोपसागरेण सह मिलति. नेक्स्ट, असंख्याः जनाः प्रतिदिनं कुत्र स्नान्ति? स्नान्ति मीन्स टेकिंग बाथ. असंख्याः जनाः प्रतिदिनं कुत्र स्नान्ति? असंख्याः जनाः प्रतिदिनं गंगाजले स्नान्ति. नेक्स्ट, प्रसिद्धानि तीर्थक्षेत्राणि कुत्र सन्ति? प्रसिद्धानि तीर्थक्षेत्राणि गंगायाः तटे सन्ति. Now question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the seventh case ending. That means Saptami Vibhakti, seventh case ending form of the following words. So you have to write here Saptami Vibhakti. Okay, in this blanks, and already root word already given. You have to add Saptami Vibhakti and you have to write it. Okay. Dash Bangopasagaraha Shreshto. So dash Bangopasagara Shreshto, definitely you have to use Saptami Vibhakti. You know where you have to use Saptami Vibhakti? In Adhikaran Karak. So where are many things, you have to choose only one. So there you have to use Saptami Vibhakti, like Chhatranam Gopalah Shreshto. So many students are there. So from those students, only one student is the best. So in many students, you have to use Saptami Vibhakti. So here also same as like this. Sagoreshu, that means many oceans are there in our earth. So from many oceans, Bangopasagaraha Shreshta. Okay, that means best. So Ganga, don't think that Shreshta means that big, huge, or the Pavitra like this. Sometimes our faith also, it is decided that it is Shreshta for us. That means great for us. So Ganga Sagoreshu Bangopasagaraha Shreshto. Next one, Dash Ravivaraha Avakasha Divasaha. So Divaseshu, many days, 7 days we are having. So only Sunday is the best. We are having holiday, na? That's why. Divaseshu Ravivaraha Avakasha Divasaha. Avakasaha Divasaha means holiday. অবকাশ মিন্স হলিডে. ওকে, দিনের মধ্যে রবিবারটাই একমাত্র ছুটির দিন. সো খগেষু ড্যাশ কোকিলস্য স্বরঃ মধুরঃ. খগেষু, ওকে, খগেষু কোকিলঃ অনলি the স্বরঃ মধুরঃ. ওকে, পুষ্পেষু পাটলম সুন্দরম. Pushpesu, only patal means rose. Rose only the beautiful. Pandavesu Yudhishthiraha Shrestha. So 5 Pandavas are there, but they are only Yudhishthira is the greatest one. So Pandavesu Yudhishthiraha Shrestha. Sorry, Yashto, not Shrestha. Jyeshto, that means the elder one. So Yudhishthir হচ্ছে বড় ভাই, so elder one. पांडवेषु युधिष्ठिरः ज्येष्ठः. Okay, now come to question number 3. See, question number 3, write the word forms according to the instruction. That means according to instruction you have to write. So khaga shabda saptami bahuvachan. Okay, like turn over the before page. See, briksha shabdaru bahuvachanam saptami bahuvachanam briksesu. So it should be khagesu. Okay, khaga saptami bahuvachanam khagesu, like briksesu. Mandiram neuter gender, ditiya bahuvachanam. One ditiya. So ditiya means like phalam phale phalani. You know that both are same. So bahuvachanam, like phalani, it should be mandirani, but it should be ana. Why ana? See, before letter ra, that's why it should be ana. Mandirani. Ganga shashti ekavachanam. Come to chapter number 10, shashti vibhakti. Now see, strilinga lata shabdarup, lata yaha. So as same as it should be ganga yaha. Okay, now shikshak tritiya bahuvachan. So now come to chapter number 7, tritiya vibhakti. Shikshak masculine gender. So see, here also masculine gender, hasta. Hastena hastyabhyam hastaihi. Hastena hastyabhyam hastaihi. So bahuvachanam, so it should be like hastaihi. So shikshakaihi. Okay, that's why before I told many times to memorize those things. Those who memorize, for them it is easy. Shobha panchami ekavachanam. Shobha feminine gender, panchami ekavachanam. Come to chapter number 9, panchami vibhakti. Strilinga panchami ekavachanam. Latayaha. What? Latayaha. So it should be sabhayaha. Okay, now mitra chaturthi dvivachanam. Mitram shabdarup neuter gender, you know that. Mitra chaturthi dvivachanam. So come to chapter number 8, chaturthi vibhakti. Okay, come here, mitra only given. Mitrayo mitrabhyam mitrebhyoh. What? Mitrayo mitrabhyam mitrebhyoh. So dvivachanam, so mitrabhyam. Okay, mitrayo mitrabhyam mitrebhyoh. So dvivachanam, that's why mitrayo mitrabhyam mitrebhyoh. So mitrabhyam, it should be mitrabhyam. Okay, mitrabhyam. Now go to next page. See question number 4, page number 44. Okay, change each underlined word to the plural form. That means you have to change into plural form. That means bahuvachan. Bahuvachane parivartata. Okay, that means bahuvachane parivartan korte hobe. But only underline words. Those are not underlines, please don't change. Okay, gajaha bane vasati. See, all you have to change. So gajaha bahuvachanam gajaha, bane banesu, basati basanti. So gajaha banesu basanti. See, brikse briksayaho briksesu. So as same as briksesu, it should be gajesu. Okay, banesu, gajaha banesu basanti, banesu. Next, मीनाहा जले तरंती. बहुवचनम मीनाहा जले, as same as like this. मीनाहा जले तरंती. Okay, because only these two you have to change. These two only underline. That's why मीनाहा जले तरंती. वृक्षस्य शाखायां पुष्पं विकसति. वृक्षस्य, no need to change, so keep it like this. वृक्षस्य शाखायां, बहुवचनम शाखासु, पुष्पं बहुवचनम पुष्पाणि, विकसति बहुवचनम विकसन्ति. Now पुस्तके बहुवचनम पुस्तकेषु, सुंदरं बहुवचनम सुंदराणि, चित्रं बहुवचनम चित्राणि, अस्ति बहुवचनम सन्ति. Now त्वं बहुवचनम त्वं, युवम यूयम. So यूयम, कुत्रो, no need to change, no underline, that's why keep it as same as like this. Now gacchasi, si thah tha, so gaccha. Then question. Come to question number 5. Make sentences with the following words. So by this words you have to make sentence. First one, grameshu. So I will request you, please give Roman number so that you can understand easily. Okay. So grameshu, grameshu mayapurah shreshto. You can write like this. Okay. Next, atro. Atro aham nibashami. So I am staying here. Atro means here. Please underline. Okay. Sarbatra. Sarbatra jala sankatam bhavati. Underline please. And sarbatra. Batikayam. Batikayam pushpani vikasanti. Okay. Vikasanti means blooming. Next, balokanam. So balokanam gopalah shrestha. Please underline in balokanam. Balokanam gopalah shrestha. Next, question number 6. Translate the following sentences. Hey Mohan, tvam kutra pathasi? You can say, hi Mohan, where are you reading? Hi Mohan, where are you reading? The next one. Oho mitrani yuyam twasang shabhayam katham na gacchata. Hi my old friends, because mitrani is there now, that's why many friends. Hi my old friends, why are you, please give in bracket, why are you not going to that assembly? Why are you all not going to that assembly? Twasang means that. Okay. Assembly means sabhayang. Now the next one. Eto swang kakshayang adhikaha chhatraha na santi. So there are not many students in this classroom. Eto swang, that's why this. Okay. He balike tobo grihe ke tishtanti? Question mark. Hi Latika, this is Latike, that's why you have to write hi Latika, then the sign who are living in your house. Now next, अस्माकं विद्यालये 10 शिक्षकाः सन्ति. 10 teachers are there in our school. 10 teachers are there. Okay, in our school. Definitely in our school more than this. तस्मिन् पर्वते विशालाः वृक्षाः सन्ति. There are many big trees on the mountain. Parvate, that's why mountain. Now next one, translate into Sanskrit. You have to just write the meaning, nothing else. From where, that means kut. Sorry, it should be kutah, not kutra. Kutra means where, but it is from where. So Panchami Vibhakti, that's why kutah. Okay. Now only, that means he. Yesterday, hyah. Hayafala visarga, hyah. Where? Yatra. Where? Yatra. Always. Sarvada. If I give an exam where, you can write kutra also, yatra also. Okay, but according to sentence you have to understand. If it is question mark, then definitely kutra, and if it is not question mark, that time you have to write yatra. Okay, because this ko one in Sanskrit actually WH word. Okay, so kutra, you have to use this one for where meaning in question, in a sentence which are the question, but which are the not question, the simple sentence, there you have to use this where meaning, that is yatra. Okay, so this much only your today's work, or always means sarvada, up to this much only your work. So give CW. Now I already given one project, that one in another assignment I will give you, and you have to submit that assignment. I given the date also there. Before, in that day, maybe 24 I given. Okay, so 24 before 10 PM, রাত্রি 10টার মধ্যে তোমাকে সাবমিট করতে হবে। Okay, before 10 PM you have to submit, and where you have to submit, where I discuss about the project, in that assignment only you have to submit. If you submit my WhatsApp number, or if you submit by comment section, both should be cancelled, and it is carrying 5 marks, so be careful, because this 5 marks will join to your midterm result, directly it will join. So please be careful, do nicely, draw nicely, write nicely without any mistake, and submit only in assignment section by turned in process, as same as like your answer paper of the exam paper, where you submitted, where question paper given the teacher, there only you submitted, na, or in another way, or another assignment section, definitely not, na. You submitted in that assignment section only where teacher given the question. So here also same things, where I have discussed about the project, in that same assignment section only you have to submit it. Okay, you will see which assignment I have discussed about the project, there only you have to submit before 10 PM. Which day? 24th. Okay, 24th September. And I am giving one more video now only for Karak Vibhakti.